Are you guys ready to hear the best pickup line of all time? The one that's guaranteed to get you laid with any woman. Simplest pickup line. Forget all the other complicated ones you've got to study and Google and work out what to say and then what to say after that and then how to go from there. Here it is. I'm going to give you the best pickup line of all time. That's worked for me since I've been talking to girls on the street since I've been pretty young. I guess I started talking to girls on the street when I was like 18, maybe even younger, 17, 18 years old. I was always approaching girls. I guess the game changer for me was when I was 21 and I graduated university in London. I had this guy who was a friend of mine who was studying the book The Game, and he wanted to put a documentary together. And that documentary was of two young kids in London who were reading the game and then who were implementing the strategies in the book. So we did that. We read the book and then we started implementing the strategies in the book. And we started doing it in bars, in clubs, on the street, literally everywhere you could think of. And from all of my learnings from those days, from all of the different, probably approached, could be about 1,000 women in different scenarios, whether it be on the street, whether it be in bars, in clubs. But for this video, I mainly want to talk about street, grocery store, in and around during the day, the supermarket, the mall, like I approached to go in the supermarket the other day. So bars and clubs have a different style of game and a different style of approach. So here it is. On the street, in a supermarket, anytime during the day, the best pickup line, the most successful one for me is, drum roll, hi, how's your day going? That's literally it. That's literally it. All the other pickup lines you're going to come up with are going to be over-rehearsed. She's going to think you're trying too hard. She's going to think that you use that with other women. She's going to think you're one of these pickup artists on the street. She's going to know that you've read this somewhere online and you've tried to implement it. They're not stupid, these girls. They know what you're up to. And so therefore, after 25 years, 20 years of approaching beautiful women in all sorts of scenarios, the best pickup line is, hi, how's your day going? That's literally it. And the reason why that's the best pickup line, and I'll tell you more about the successes behind that and what you could do to follow up with that, is because it comes off as natural. It's completely natural. When you're dropping pickup lines, let me give you an example. You walk up to a girl and she's in the supermarket and you're like, oh, hey, I really like your dress. Suits you really well. My grandma wears the same dress, but you pull it off a lot better than she does. Ha 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 ha. Funny, but it's just not something that you're going to come up with there and then on the spot. And she knows that. She knows that the pickup line you're going to drop it's going to be funny, but in the back of her mind, it's like, well, he's rehearsed this. I know what he's like. He's probably doing this with loads of other girls. You know, I've seen stupid ones, like a guy grabbing a piece of ice and throwing it on the floor and then like right in front of it. And he goes, well, now the ice is broken. It's just like, come on, man. That's comedy. Pickup lines are basically comedy. And this game is not about comedy. The game is about being masculine, about being a man. Right? You're busy, you've got shit to do, you're just in the supermarket collecting some healthy food because you know, you're eating healthy and you're looking good, you're looking ripped, you're looking muscly. I mean, I walk into the supermarket like this, right? Like, you know, when I walk into the supermarket anywhere in the world, especially in a hot country and I'm dressed like this, the girls know, like, oh, okay, this guy's in shape. Oh shit, right? He looks hot. You know, that's the immediate impression that they get. And I always go in like fixed up, like I haven't even fixed up my hair for this video, but usually I like fix up my hair, you know, put a bit of wax in it, look good, roll around so that I'm looking the part, right? You obviously have to look attractive when you're approaching women. Let's not get that twisted, right? Be a bit cool, be a bit edgy, just be a bit sexy. So the other pickup lines just don't work, my guys. I mean, they have worked in very minimal senses in the past with like young, stupid girls. But when you're really trying to pick up the cream of the crop and beautiful women, hi, how's your day going? Or hi, how are you? Also, just as simple as that. And it doesn't matter. I mean, I approached a girl yesterday morning at it was like 8:30 in the morning. I was like walking out my house and this cute girl was walking by and I was like, hey, how you doing today? And she was like, yeah, I'm good. How are you? We got talking for a minute. She was in the rush to catch the bus. And I just let her go because she was just in a rush to get going. And I didn't really feel like I needed to take her number. I just wanted to talk to a stranger. I just wanted to talk to someone that day and just get the ball rolling. And it was just such a sweet line because it comes off as natural. And when you come off as natural, you don't come off as a tryhard. Women don't like tryhards. They don't want you to be a tryhard guy, calling her all the time, coming up with interesting lines. Women just want you to be cool and sophisticated and have status and have style and be attractive and just be wanted by other women and just be liked by other men. And that's generally someone who's just quite cool and doesn't try too hard, right? The try hard never really gets that far. The guy who studies all this stuff but makes it look easy by showing that he's relaxed does get the results. All right, my guys? The guy who gets the most results that I know of, he's had about 1,000 different lays, right? He slept with 1,000 women. That's crazy. He's nearing 50 and he doesn't have dating apps. He simply just walks up to girls on the street or in any kind of scenario during the day at the gym or in tennis. And that's literally his line. Like, hey, how's your day going today? Oh, like, nice shoes. They're pretty cool. Where'd you get them from? Simple, man. That's not a pickup line. Asking her where she got her shoes from because they're cool is not a pickup line. Asking her, hey, how's your day going? Or what you up to today? Well, maybe not what you're up to today. That's for a later stage in the conversation. But just showing that you're just going about your day, you find her attractive, and you want to say something to her goes to show that you're a friendly guy, you're confident, and you don't really care what's been said, and you don't really care about the end result of the scenario, as long as you're just opening up conversation with her and just being a nice, friendly guy. That's it. Friendly guys who are not scared to approach women on the street get laid. Those guys get laid a shit ton, right? Trust me, they get laid a shit ton. Because I've done a serious bunch of testing with different types of approaches on the street or in clubs or in bars or dating apps or through friends and friends of friends or a network or Instagram. And by actually approaching girls on the street, the other thing I like about that is you get to see what they actually look like. The thing I don't like about dating apps is she always looks different, man. Obviously, she's putting up her best photos. You turn up to the date, and I'm like, the amount of times I've turned up to a date, and I was like, oh, no, this isn't who I thought I was going to be on a date with. Oh, this sucks. Oh, I better have one drink and then call it a night. And I don't want to stick around here too long. And now I'm embarrassed because I don't want to leave straight away because I don't want to make her feel bad. I'm not a horrible person. So really, the final minute or two of this video, I just want to remind you that when you approach her and you're like, hey, how's your day going? Just remember, right? And I hear this from a lot of different women, is that your energy is absolutely important. Your energy is what's going to end up getting you laid or end up getting you that woman. So your energy needs to come across as calming, confident, and indifferent. Now remember, I've said this in my past few videos over the last few days. I'm currently doing a video a day to get you guys up to speed with these things, right? So get you learning as fast as possible. So you want to say it with a cool, calming demeanor. I know a guy who approaches loads of women. He's got terrible results because he's so stiff. He's like, hey, how are you? It's like, oh my God, bro, you're so awkward. It's just so weird, Imagine the difference between that kind of approach. Like, oh, hey, excuse me. I just wanted to ask. Nah, you've lost. It's over. Squabbling. You're all over the place, mate. Women are geniuses and can tell. Women are social geniuses and can feel and tell your energy from a mile away. Whereas, imagine this sort of approach, which I actually have to train myself to do sometimes. When I'm not in the mood, I have to train myself to be like, hey, excuse me. How you doing today? You seem really cute. Just wanted to have a little quick chat. Chilled. It's just easy, Hey, how's your day going? You having a good day? Oh, wonderful. Okay. What are you up to? Anything fun? Oh, I'm just taking a walk down the beach. It's a really wonderful day. I thought I'd talk to the most beautiful person I saw, and there you are. You popped up. So how's it going? Like, you got a day off work. Great. What do you usually get up to? Easy, calm, chilled, bro. You don't give a shit. You're just talking. If she's like, oh, I'm in a rush, bye. Oh, no problem. Cool. Have a lovely day. Take care of yourself. Don't ever get angry. Don't ever get pissed. Don't ever get pissed off when they reject you or when they walk away, because you're going to get rejected so many times. So many times. The amount of times I've also been like, hey, how you getting on? How's your day going? She's like, I'm fine, thanks. I'm in a rush. I can't talk right now. Oh, okay, no problem. I just wanted to have a quick chat. No, I can't. I need to get somewhere. Oh, take care. That's it. That's it, bro. Because you might see her again. And if you see her again, you might just smile. You might try again, right? But if you seem like a weirdo, or you're trying to push it, or you're desperate, or you just pushed it a bit too far, you're like, oh no, wait, I just want to say something. Just wait. No, what do you mean, wait? That's not going to work, brother. So the indifference, again, I always use the same words here: cool, calm, collected, James Bond style. James Bond is smooth, man. James Bond's like, hey, how are you? That's it. That's literally it. So smooth. Can you see the energy, the difference in energy between, hey, how you doing? Compared to, hey, how are you? The intonation, the voice, the way you say it, right? Train yourself to be calm. You're too busy. You've got other shit going on as a man, right? You're just going for a stroll. You see someone beautiful and you're saying hi. If you can do this, if you can implement this, and you can get past the approach anxiety, and you can just say, hi, how are you? And you could do it with a nice, cool voice with good energy, my bro, you're definitely going to get results. Maybe not the first time, maybe not the second time, but eventually you will. Because you'll take that rejection like a champion every single time. You'll get hurt. We've all got emotions. I understand that. But the reason why I've been able to get so many beautiful women over the past, since I started dating girls, I don't know, when I was 16 or something, is because I've had all those rejections. Same in business. I failed so many different businesses until I finally smacked it and became a multimillionaire. Same with women. You get a bunch of rejections, and then in the end, you get a cute girl. So you're going to have to go through those rejections in order to get the results. No one walks up to girls anymore during the day. It's such a unique proposition. We're all sitting there on dating apps like idiots. Be different, be cool, have calm energy, and go use that, the best pickup line of all time. Good luck, my bros.